Hello, everyone. Welcome to AiTechGuru.official.
Ever wondered what YouTube Shorts are and how they could be the game changer for your digital presence? Well, let's dive in. YouTube Shorts is a fresh feature in the world of YouTube that's all about short, snappy, and engaging vertical videos. Imagine being able to craft a captivating story, all within 60 seconds or less. And the best part? You don't need high-end equipment or a fancy studio. All you need is your smartphone. Yes, you heard it right. Your smartphone is your magic wand here. You can spruce up your videos with a dash of music, a sprinkle of filters, some text, or even stickers. It's all about making your videos fun, engaging, and uniquely you. So that's YouTube Shorts in a nutshell. A short, vertical video feature designed with simplicity and creativity in mind. Now, you might be wondering, why YouTube Shorts? What's the big deal? Let's delve into that. Why should you pay attention to YouTube Shorts? Let's unravel the benefits. YouTube Shorts are not just a passing fad. They are a powerful tool to showcase your personality and creativity. Whether it's introducing yourself, sharing your opinions, displaying your skills, or simply having fun, Shorts offer a unique platform to express yourself. They can also serve as teasers, highlights, behind the scenes, or bonus content that complement your longer videos, providing a rich and diverse viewing experience for your audience. But the benefits of YouTube Shorts go beyond just creativity. They are a potent magnet to attract new audiences and increase your exposure. YouTube is actively promoting Shorts on its homepage, in the Shorts tab, and even on the Shorts shelf that appears on the watch page of some videos. This means your Shorts can be discovered by millions of people who may not have visited your channel before. And here's the cherry on top. YouTube rewards Shorts that generate high engagement and retention by featuring them prominently and recommending them to more users. Experimentation is the lifeblood of creativity, and YouTube Shorts offer a fantastic platform to try new formats and topics. Want to test new ideas? Get feedback? See what works for your channel? Shorts are the perfect playground. You can explore different niches, trends, and challenges that are popular on YouTube. You can collaborate with other creators and join the Shorts community, expanding your creative horizons while also growing your audience. But the benefits of YouTube Shorts don't end there. They are easy to make and tailor to your liking. Whether you want to create a simple, unfiltered video or a complex multi-layered piece with music, text, and stickers, the choice is yours. And all of this can be done right from your smartphone. Intrigued by the potential of YouTube Shorts, let's get you started on creating your first one. Creating a YouTube Short is as easy as pie. Here's how you can do it. First things first, open the YouTube app on your smartphone. Look for the plus icon at the bottom of your screen and tap on it. You'll see an option saying Create a Short. Go ahead and select it. The app will ask for certain permissions to access your camera and microphone. Grant the necessary permissions to move forward. Now you're ready to create. You have two options. Either record a video using the in-app camera or upload an existing video from your gallery. Here's the catch though. Your video should be in a vertical format and not more than 60 seconds long. Once you've recorded or selected your video, it's time for the fun part, editing. You can trim your video to the desired length, add some spice with music, or maybe change the entire mood with filters. You can add text or stickers to make your video more engaging. There's also a timer and speed options at your disposal. Use these to create time-lapse or slow-motion effects. Now that you've got your video looking just the way you want it, tap on Next. Here, you can add a title, description, tags, and choose a thumbnail. Think of these as the packaging for your video. They should be catchy and relevant to entice viewers to click on your short. You also have the option to choose whether you want your short to be public, unlisted, or private. If you're just starting out or testing the waters, you might want to go for the unlisted or private option. But if you're ready to share your creativity with the world, go ahead and make it public. Finally, hit upload. your video will be processed and published. This might take a little while, so be patient. Once it's done, your short will be out there for everyone to see. You can also share your video on other social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Voila! You've just created your first YouTube short. That wasn't too hard, was it? Congratulations on creating your first YouTube short. But the journey doesn't end here. Consider this as your first step into a wider world of creativity where you have the power to shape your narrative in 60 seconds or less. Don't hesitate to experiment with different formats, topics, and even niches. Remember, YouTube Shorts is not just a feature, it's a tool to help you grow your channel, reach new audiences, and express your unique voice. Take time to explore the Shorts tab. Check out what other creators are doing. Draw inspiration from them, and don't be afraid to try something new. Collaboration could also be a great way to expand your reach and learn from others. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to AiTechGuru.official. We'll continue to bring you the latest updates and insights into the world of technology. Thank you for your support and see you in the next video.